The GAU TRF 2x4 3L LVR UVC T8V1 from Larson Electronics is a UVC Germicidal recessed Troffer mount fluorescent fixture that offers high light output from a compact form factor, making it suitable for disinfecting and killing 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores in large facilities. This germicidal fixture operates on 120 to 277 volts AC at 50 to 60 Hz and consists of 3 T8 fluorescent lamps. This light provides UVC output at a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers. A single Troffer unit can cover a maximum of 500 square feet depending on the mounting height. This UV sanitation fixture is a 2-foot long by 4-foot wide, powerful 3-lamp lighting solution for general area lighting systems and commercial indoor spaces. This light has a flood beam pattern and an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours. The housing on this sanitation light is constructed of direct and indirect formed cold rolled steel housing with a nano-ceramic treatment for enhanced resistance to corrosion and topped off with a flat white powder coat finish. This recessed Troffer mount fixture also includes built-in earthquake brackets for resistance to violent vibrations. The low-profile unit allows operators to install this light in shallow or compact spaces. This Troffer mount UVC germicidal fixture is for recessed mounting in inverted T-bar grid ceilings. The GAU TRF 2x4 3L LVR UVC T8V1 MS is the same 2x4 Troffer unit with a built-in motion sensor that will cut off the UVC light when motion has been detected. The light will resume once no motion has been detected for 30 seconds. Applications include retail spaces, lobbies, commercial locations, industrial parks, schools, public transportation hubs, airports, office buildings, medical centers, and more. Our UV sanitation products can be used with all lights on or off. Any light present in the room is fine. The room does not have to be dark. The disinfecting lights can even be used in sunlight. Frequently asked questions. How long does the fixture need to operate to kill viruses? A 30-minute exposure time is required for killing viruses. What if I want to disinfect a larger area than the square footage that is listed in the specifications of this product? You can move the product and cover other areas. Each time the unit is moved, the exposure time starts again. What if obstacles are in the way of the UV light while it's disinfecting? You will need to move objects around and disinfect again for another 30 minutes. If the cart does not have a direct line of sight, it will not disinfect. This is a non-ozone UV generating product, so it does not penetrate through solid surfaces and will not reflect and clean the underside of objects or behind objects. If you do not have a direct line of sight from the light, you will need to move it around or move the obstacles to create proper exposure. Do I need to wear protective gear? Yes, UV radiation is not safe for your eyes or skin. Is this product skin safe or eye safe? No. UV radiation is not safe for the eyes or skin. Please read the manual for UV safety requirements. Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have two benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.